everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, we're gonna make the tastiest savory onions you've ever had. Start out with a pot on medium to high heat and add 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of meaty. This is slightly sweet rice wine, half a cup of cooking wine of your choice. I have rice wine here. Half a cup of sugar. Now you're going to give it a good stir until the sugar dissolves. Make sure to bring it to a boil and then set aside. Now let's prep our onion. I thinly sliced 1 large white onion, like so. Now you're gonna roughly chop 3 cloves of garlic.
Don't be so mad, don't be so mad. Don't be so mad, don't be so mad.
Take a deep pan and add some neutral oil to coat the bottom. After a minute, throw in your onions.
Don't be so mad, don't be so mad. Don't be so mad, don't be so mad.
Now you're gonna wanna cook this for a minute or 2 so the onions soften slightly, and then add your garlic. When you see the onion slightly turn translucent, you're gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of the sauce we made.
Every time I see her face,
Alright, we're almost done here. Now we're just gonna stir it for another minute or so.
I won't let go.
You want to make sure that the onions kind of have like a shiny coating on there, and so that's how you know it's done. See that color here and texture? That's what you want. So this sauce is very tasty. It'll last in your refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 weeks or so. So you want to use it up by then. So once it's cooled down, you place it in the refrigerator. You can make some beef with it, chicken, put it over rice. It's really tasty. Let's sample this, you guys. Look at this. Look at all the juice from the sauce. This is going to be so good with some rice. I don't have rice right now, but let's try it. So good, juicy, crispy. If you guys like this content, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. Do you guys like onions?